Motor powerful but lightweight. For INAROCK lawn dethatcher and scarifier, 12-inch working width, 11-amp electric lawn dethatcher with a replacement raking, 4 central adjustable heights tool-free assembly. 8-gallon grass collection bag. Before you decide to order, we will introduce the features and brief details, including powerful, 11-amp motor and 12-inch blade which improved large-size metal steel to ensure efficient cutting, 8-gallon large-capacity grass collection box, 95% grass harvest rate. 4. Wrok Heights. The lawn dethatcher is equipped with a central height adjustment system, with 4 working depth, -0.35 inch/0.24 inch/0.12 inch/0.12 inch, which can adapt to lawns of different heights. Safety system. Double safety switch ensures safe start. The lever handle is easy to grasp and manipulate. Lightweight. The unit is made of high-quality durable plastic, which allows it to be light in weight and easy to maneuver. Maintenance-free. No gas, oil, or tune UPS make it effortless to start and maintain. If you hesitate or have questions, we recommend that you click the link in the YouTube details, to see all the detail before actually ordering. And of course, we are affiliated with Amazon.com. You can get early reviews of products with little or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter purchasing decisions. If you think our channel is useful for you, you can subscribe and press the bell and select all to receive instant notifications for all future uploads.